Good afternoon. This is Yogesh from Tirupati Software Infotech. Currently, uh, in today's tutorial video, we are going to present you the radiology modules, its uses, benefit, and operations, and key statistics of the section. So, any user who want to see how the Tirupati HMS radiology modules are working, so you must watch that respective video to manage your patient flow and radiology service activities. So let's log in into the radiology respective modules. Okay, so we can log in into the user login, and we have the respective modules in the radiology window. So first icon, we go to radiology part section. This is the patient care activity module, where you can see the upper entries part is the patient searchable document. Like if you want to search any particular patient's record, you can search out with the patient name. All relevant patient can be there. Either you can find out patient with the mobile number like that 9588 we can put any sample mobile number and track the patient record along with the, you can see the data. If you click any particular certain patient, what are his previous test record has been performed, that will be shown here color coding wise here. So you can access the report and data reports here, and can be open image plus text report if there is exist. So that can be available in the report section here in the module. Now even you can find out patient employee ID, panel wise, company wise, insurance patient listing, doctor wise patient listing like that. So let me assume if you want to see the patients with the Dr. Nagendra Yadav's patient, to see the reports of the patient, so you can apply doctor filter and only the Dr. Nagendra Yadav's patient record will be get here in front of the screen. Similarly, you have various patient status wise like that, the ward wise searching criteria, gender wise, and test radiology wise, like you want to search this USG test report patient listing to whom we have in this month of radiology service report or particular duration apply and get the date record based respective radiology service report like that. So there is to have patient sonography report is my report kali into that section like this way. Now I refresh the entries to see what comes there. Even if you want to see create a new patient for radiology test result, if user is authorized, will be able to prepare the report. If no, then you can to create. So here you can select any one of patient, and if you want to make any report of the particular patient, so we go to here, select the test report and go to radiology report window. So here if this is master defined template for X-ray report for particular certain sonography report or whichever test has been advised to the patient, that patient's respective report can be prepared by radiology technician. Like if in the sonography report there are the multiple template option is available, like if defined in master. Similarly, X-ray, CT scan, MRI, any kind of the sub departmental based report structure text template is available. You can select any one of template and the respective content will be open here, and user can amend the input values of the liver, gallbladder, any physical examination. Along with we can have option to upload its a patient's sonography report or the multiple sections report here along with X-ray film. So test to test wise, respective test wise pictures or images packs integration based report can be also integrated. Either manual report can be uploaded into the software in certain report. So this report can be saved by doctor or technician, and once this report has been saved, so this type of the page heading wise report can be printable of the section to the patient given in the system like this way. And once this report are prepared, so this report can be sent to the email or WhatsApp to the patient. So as we have the WhatsApp function, you can select the report and check WhatsApp number, and system will send on the patient's WhatsApp number the report. As well as if you want to email the report, you can select the reports and send to email to the particular patient. Here you have email text report option. Select, input the respective mail ID and sending the report on the sender, patient or doctor's account. And there are some options for inventory module. So where radiology pictures, sonography pictures inventory request can be performed by user. And also we can see the whatever inventory are available in radiology department for various picture, x-ray, ct scan, mri, issue quantity from the central store, uses quantity, available quantity according to, so the inventory can be also maintained here. After that, return request, if any product is need to be resent to the central store, so the user can select the stock product which he has in stock and send the respective quantity, how much quantity they want to be resent to radiology department, and return due to damage or whatever reason, and this records will go to the instruction to authorization department. After authorization department will confirm, this record will be sent to the central store for return purpose. So this is the primary information of radiology module operations. And here the list of patient, as you see, with containing patient name, age, gender, mobile number, and the respective details are there with the user id, to by which user id have the user has been prepared. And if we click on the housekeeping services, any housekeeping service we want to generate, like radiology equipment cleaning or any maintenance services, so there are the various service window can be also done if we connected to the computer system. So that can be maintained here. Carpentry service, swiping, electrical instrumental, and we can see the status of the service request. For example, let me make a plumbing request for cleaning of blockage of water tap. Okay, so this we submit, and we can see the request status in the service dashboard or dashboard state. So the dashboard department can be seen, the housekeeping department. So let's see, in the radiology department, service request from this respective id, and there is one request is sent to the user, and they can see who have authorized, completed, pending, like that. And checklist for one day, weekly, schedule based cleaning, maintenance, and daily based cleaning services. And there will be the consumable history of the patient consume, self consume of the inventory, whatever inventory stock they have. So like x-ray film 10 quantity we have in stock, 1 quantity we have used, and once we consume the quantity, inventory quantity has been used by the radiologist user. And once we again want to see any product quantity, so we can apply the product quantity, the 1 quantity used, so 1 quantity has been reduced from stock. And if we see the issue inventory reports also, we can see the quantity has been reduced from the stock. The 10 extra film were there issued from central store, 1 stock has been used, 1 is still available in the central store, patient consumable, like that. So this is the radiology inventory consumption procedure of and housekeeping services and asset management, where any instrument, this is in development section, will let you know in the next video about that. Okay, and these are the key feature of the radiology operations module. And if we want to create any new radiology service part, so we go to master sections, go to radiology service, and we go to select which kind of the test or the investigation format we have to define, like x-ray, whole abdomen, skull x-ray or chest x-ray, and the pricing definition, item code, and insurance company based pricing, like that. And we can have the option to view panel radiology service pricing or radiology test wise price bifurcation, price updation, all the facilities are available. So these are the radiology primary diagnosis facility. Hope you like this video. If any comment or request is advice, you can include the below the comment box. Thank you. Have a good day.